In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table on Wix in 2025. Start by opening your site in the Wix editor. With the editor loaded, open the Add Elements panel on the left. Head into Lists and Grids, then select Tables. You'll see several table presets. Pick a layout that matches the content you plan to show. Simple grids are great for schedules or price lists. And click it to place the table on your page. If it lands in the wrong spot, drag it into position and resize using the handles so it fits your section. Next, manage what the table displays. Click the table, choose Manage Table, and connect it to your content. In the Connection panel, choose the collection you want. Then select the field that holds the records you'll display. This makes the table dynamic, so it updates as your content changes without you having to rebuild anything. While you're in Manage Table, add a column. For each column, set the type that matches your data. Use text for titles or cities, image for thumbnails or logos, yes/no for availability, date for events, and rich text if you need basic formatting inside cells. You can also keep a plain text column for notes. Rename your columns so headers are clear, and drag to reorder them until the most important info sits on the left. Short, scannable headers work best on smaller screens. When everything looks right, click Done to apply your changes. To fine-tune the look, select the table and open Design, then Table Design. Choose a style preset and customize it to your brand. Adjust header background and font, row striping, borders, and hover states. Keep contrast high for readability, especially on mobile. If your table is tall, emphasize the header so column labels stay easy to scan as visitors scroll. You can also balance cell padding to keep rows from feeling crowded while still fitting essential information. Before publishing, confirm the table scrolls or paginates as expected, and that column widths don't truncate key info. If something feels cramped, return to Manage Table to shorten labels, adjust column order, or widen the table area. When you're satisfied, click Publish to push the changes live. Then view your site to double-check everything on both desktop and mobile. That's it. You've added a fully styled, data-driven table in Wix, complete with the right column types and a design that matches your site. With these settings, updating your content will automatically flow into the table, keeping your page accurate and looking